Alright guys, so there's the date and time on a Garmin Furniture 620, and we are currently standing in the Bellin Building in Green Bay, Wisconsin, and take a look at these beautiful chandeliers. I love those chandeliers. Also look at this, got the street letterbox here. These are doozy, I know you love those. Those got no padlock too, it's pretty cool. But our main focus in this video is these amazing 1950s Otis elevators. We're gonna take it for a ride. Oh look, it's even got the rotodial there. That's pretty cool. So now we're gonna call it down. And we're gonna watch this thing move. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool or what? Alright, looks like one's here. And we got this one here. Whoa, take a look at this cab, guys. Isn't that amazing? There's your Otis logo down there. So now we're going to send this down to the basement. Door close button works. We all love that. Alright, so here we are down in the basement. Now let's head to 8. Door closes right when you push the button. So now we're gonna watch a floor indicator. It's got that pre-Lex indicator. This is from the 50s. So glad they kept these elevators original, even though the rest of the buildings have been upgraded. Anyways, here up at 8. Alright, head down to the basement. Saw a guy up there. Hopefully he doesn't come chasing after me. Anyways, this is here cab view. These are really nice elevators. Love like the walls, adding in the carpet. Anyways, there's the indicator right there. Here's your COP. Right down the basement, I already had one. Up right at the basement. So now we're gonna send this back up to 1. And notice it's got this like, notice it's got these like, lights that light up that indicate the direction of the elevator. I'm not sure what this switch does though. So now we're gonna send this one, send that one up to 8. And try to get this elevator right here. If it'll come down or not. Anyways, while we're waiting for that elevator to come, we got some candy dispensers here that require a quarter. And looks like you got M&M's, jelly beans, and more M&M's. It's cool. Here's a little look at it. Then probably fire alarm fans here. You got some EST Genesis horn strobe, or speaker strobe, I mean. And some smoke detector up there. I believe here is some, I'm not sure what that thing is up there, but looks like that's been upgraded. There's no smoke detector up there. Actually, I don't know if that's a heat detector or not, but there's that. Okay, I don't Doesn't look like we're able to get the right one, so we're just gonna watch this elevator close up. So there that one goes. And that's gonna be it. Hope you guys enjoyed.